I assume this should work the same, even though it's not for a Coleman. This is for a Suzuki. So we'll just see if it has the same sort of throw on this cam. I assume it's kind of like what we're checking now. Oh, it'd be so nice if the clearance part works.
The cable's going in the...
It's like there's the, see, this has like a drop here. The other one's kind of like cut out, so the cable kind of like slides off to the side, where this one was more like bent. I don't know if that makes sense. You get a way better pull out of it though. I mean, you can get like a full squeeze on it now.
Now you just need to take the grip off.
I guess so. Yeah, we're gonna try and get that grip out of there.
A lot faster.
Is it?
It's a lot faster. It's different already. So when I was going to go, I'm scared. It's a lot faster. It doesn't steer right and it's fast.
It doesn't steer right.
I had to let air out of the tires the other day because it was at like 15. Now they're at like 9. It rides a little smooth.